All right, today we discuss what causes clanking noises. There are two things I found that cause clanking noises on your these balers. One is you can have your baler too loose, your chain too loose, where it'll skip over this. All the other chains, it goes over so much that it grips a lot better, but this one, if the chain's too loose, it will come over. So when you're filling a bale and you start hearing a bunch of noise, it might be this. The other thing is if you've heard a lot of screeching, it might be your bearing. I had a bearing go out on me, needed to get through the rest of the field before the rain came. And so what happens is it starts to wear on these. These are 205 bearings on the outside. I can put a part number in, get the NT NCR 205 LLC if I remember right. And so my bearing was shot. Now these are special. Your regular 205 bracket looks a lot like this. It does not cover the bearing as well. See how these bearings, this is a traditional 205. See, it does not cover the bearing. The new ones, which I've only been able to find at Tractor Tools, covers more of it. And what you'll see is when you take this off, these actually line up and fit tightly. So what's nice is they keep the hay out, less likely to cause a fire, whatnot, keep that bearing extra protected. So that's when this bearing went out. Obviously I had to tighten my chain. Another thing that happened is the rollers started hitting each other and I couldn't figure out, well, why is it hitting? And then you'll see, so if you start seeing marks on your baler along with clunking noises and you don't think they're going to hit turning, but when they're under stress, they hit. So just have to replace the bearings. This one didn't seem too bad of a job. I'm guessing a bearing like this one might be a little more worse, but I haven't delved into it. This one actually wasn't too bad. Just got to put it back together. The thread is actually a big plate behind it. You can see the thread in that right there. So I just got to line all that up together, put it back in, put it back together. So that's this video of a clunking noise on your mini round baler.